Hello ladies and gentlemen, I am Tony Correa, and today we're gonna be learning how we can get our big discount when it comes to web hosting in every plan with the guys from SiteGround. So right now the guys from SiteGround are on a discount. So the first step we're gonna be taking is going to the link I'm gonna be dropping below the video, so for you to get a big discount. For example, if you want to choose the startup plan, you're going to be paying $2.99 per month. So usually it is $49.99, but with my link down below, you're going to be getting your big discount. Yeah, so the guys from SiteGround also recommend the bestseller. In this case, I'm going to be talking about the Grow Big plan, in which you're going to be paying just $4.99 per month, and obviously you're going to be getting your 20 gigabyte web space, 100 visits monthly, is for unlimited websites, free mirror traffic, free SSL, and many other features, as you can see right here. Yes, and if you go with the Go Geek plan, you're going to be getting obviously you're going to be saving 80%, and you're going to be paying $7.99 per month. And in this plan you're going to be getting 40 gigabyte web space. Is also for unlimited websites, and mirror traffic, free SSL certificate, daily backup, free email, and many other features, as you can see right here. Yeah guys, I hope you have liked my video about this big discount with the guys from SiteGround, and I hope to see you next time guys. Bye bye, take care.